Hi, how you doing? My name is Mike. I'm a mate of Stephen's. He's asked me to have a look at his little Aussie Rocket pizza oven. He gave me this unit to sort of test, review, see how I like it. He knows I've got some experience with pizza ovens. I have one just over there that I've used plenty of times before. This is the unit, not too heavy. I just really like it, so I've built this little surround just storing me wood. I do quite a lot of wood fire cooking, so needed somewhere to keep all the wood. What I'm going to do today is just show you a few of the bits that you probably need to pick up just to use the unit, and sort of a basic overview of how you use it, possibly cook a pizza, show you all that. It will be a gluten-free pizza, so it might not look that great at the end, but the pizza oven itself will show you the temperatures, all that kind of stuff. And really great unit, really happy with it. A lot quicker, that's the main thing, a lot quicker than my other pizza oven. I'll show you what I had before. Put you like that. So this unit's a big old unit, metre long, lots of insulation, lots of bricks, all that kind of stuff. Takes a long time to heat up. The little Aussie Rocket pizza oven, I'll show you, I'll build the fire, 20 minutes is up temperature, put a pizza in, and it's done. This unit, hour and a quarter, and I really have to tend to it for the entire time. Build the fire in the front, get it hot, push it to the back, keep feeding the fire all the time, lots of wood. I really like it for slow cooking meat, that kind of thing, but for actual pizzas, it's genuinely not as good as a little Aussie Rocket pizza oven. Okay, just to take you through the items I really think you need to pick up. A lot of the stuff's just from Bunnings, all of it's just from Bunnings. Main thing, as in Stephen's video, just the 33cm pizza stone. Goes in the top. Some kind of fire lighter. Something to light the firelighters. Obviously need your wood. Now the wood's a little bit important, just get something hardwood for pizza ovens. And about this size is really good, especially for starting the fire. If you go something a lot bigger, you'll struggle to get it started. So start with something small. Once it's up and going, you might get away with something this big, but this size here, like that, is just about perfect. Other things are really handy. Heat-proof gloves. These are available at Bunnings. They just keep you safe while you're using the oven. And then nice pizza peel. Something like this, thin stainless steel, gets in there to get your pizzas in and out. What I thought I'd do quickly, just before I lose the light, is actually build a fire. Now I've put you on as a head cam just so you can see what I see. Be nice and clear to show you how I build a fire in the pizza oven here. Something I didn't mention is just some charcoal briquettes, help just to get the fire going. So what we're going to do is take a couple of our little splits here, put them inside the oven just like that, little gap, and we've got some of the fire lighters, put them down, load that up, a small handful of briquettes, just like that. Hopefully you can see, so we just got 2 bits of wood, some briquettes there, and then we'll get 3 more bits of wood here. Put them on like that. A little bit of a gap, just a gap in between each one. Another couple on the top, and that's plenty. That'll get it going. And then just get our torch here. There you go. See how that goes, make sure that takes. And give it a bit more. Now we just leave that alone for probably 20 minutes and just let it all catch, let those bits of wood really take hold, and I'll bring you back once it's all going. Okay, we're back. So I'll just show you the fire. This is where we're at, and this is about perfect. So we've got nice big fire, rolling flames coming up into the top chamber. It should be lovely and hot on that pizza stone now. I'll just grab my thermometer. See if we can see. Yep. So on that stone now we're at 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoking hot, so that'll be brilliant. The only thing I've done since I left it was I gave a little poke with another little split of kindling and then chucked that in there as well, and that was enough to keep it going, and that's probably gonna be enough to do all the pizzas now. I'd say I probably won't need to add any more wood to that at all. So all the stuff I cut up here I probably won't even end up using. Right. Now, please don't take this as a pizza making instructional. I'm using gluten-free dough. That's the dough I'm using. It's okay. You'd be better off if you're not gluten-free. Use proper dough and you'll be a lot better off. I'll just roll it out. Add the toppings, some sour cream. We prefer sour cream. We use a bit of sour cream, cheese. Got some pepperoni. Okay, let's load the pizza into the pizza oven. In there. There you go. Okay. Pizza's done. Put it out. Get it to the light. There you go. Beautiful. Cooked on the bottom. Really cooked on the bottom. Happy with that. Okay, hopefully you can still see me alright. The camera's sort of dying. Just a little overview. Don't take the pizzas too highly. It's gluten-free dough. I was trying to do the film and all that. I'm not a professional at this by any means. It's the first video I've ever done anything like this. Just a few things about Stephen's little Aussie rocket pizza oven. I love this thing. To be honest, with the big pizza oven, really into it when I first got it, used it a few times, and then just the time it took to get the fire going, get it up to temperature and keep it up to temperature. For me and the missus, just a couple of pizzas made it a little bit exhausting. Just final thing, just for a little bit of aftercare with the oven. I think it's mentioned in Stephen's video, but the only thing I've been doing to this, and it's kept any kind of rust away or anything like that, is while it's still warm like this, or before you start cooking, is also a good idea. Probably better to do it before you start cooking. Just spray it with a little bit of any kind of oil, really. Vegetable oil is fine. You can use olive oils and things like that, but any kind of just standard oil. Spray it all over, rub it with some kitchen paper, and then when it heats up, it cooks on. And it's called seasoning. So it will season this. Mine's all seasoned up, so now I don't need to really worry about rust. Every few cooks, I'll just respray it. It'll build up that seasoning again, and it'll be good to go again. I don't see this thing ever wearing out. The only thing is just clear the ash out of it once it's all nice and cool, and that's it. Love it.